How Lactobacillus gasseri may affect fat absorption. One of the most interesting questions in probiotic science is this: can gut bacteria influence how the body handles dietary fat? Human and preclinical research has suggested that Lactobacillus gasseri may influence abdominal adiposity and lipid metabolism. Some studies looked at postprandial markers, meaning what happens after you eat. Others explored whether the strain may reduce fat absorption or affect fatty acid release. This does not mean the probiotic blocks calories like a drug. That is not the right message. A more accurate explanation is that gut microbes can interact with bile acids, digestive processes, fat absorption, intestinal barrier function, and metabolic signaling. Imagine your gut as a busy border checkpoint. Food comes in, nutrients are processed, signals are sent to the liver, immune system, and brain. Your microbiome is not just sitting there, it is communicating with your body. Lactobacillus gasseri has been studied because it may influence this communication. One mechanism proposed in research is suppression of dietary fat absorption. Another area is how it may affect intestinal integrity and reduce the movement of inflammatory substances from the gut into the body. People searching for terms like probiotics for metabolism, gut bacteria and weight loss, fat absorption with Lactobacillus gasseri, best probiotic for belly fat, come across the Lactobacillus gasseri probiotic bacteria. We cannot say this probiotic stops fat accumulation. We can say the potential effects of this particular strain on fat metabolism and abdominal fat accumulation have been investigated. That difference matters. It keeps the content science-based, credible, and safer for health education. Also, remember that fat is not the enemy. Healthy fats from foods like olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, and oily fish can be part of a balanced diet. The goal is not to fear fat, the goal is metabolic balance. A probiotic may support the system, but the foundation remains fiber-rich meals, protein, movement, sleep, stress reduction, and fewer ultra-processed foods. Lactobacillus gasseri is exciting because it shows how the microbiome may connect digestion with metabolism, but the real power is not in one buzzword. It is in understanding the gut as a living metabolic organ. Click on the description to watch the full video. Subscribe to this channel because we turn complex scientific topics into simple and powerful information that you can actually use. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who cares about their health.